welcome to Dog Star Tarot. Today I'm using the Wildwood Tarot. I have no idea who this is by. I've had this deck a while. I don't use it very often because it isn't like the Rider-Waite. It's quite different, particularly the Major Arcana. So I might have to refer to the book, but I feel quite drawn to it today. Let's see what we've got for the collective. This is for the collective, so you may or may not resonate for you, but let's see what we've got. We'll take those three first. Okay, we've got the Queen of Arrows. I think that might be the Queen of Swords. Okay, might not be there, I'm going to check. She looks very single-minded, you know, swan, and very protective of her brood and her family, she's there on her own, very, like, I feel like very decisive. And then we've got the Wanderer, which is the Fool in the tarot. Yeah, going off in a new direction, start of something new. There seems to be a lot of this energy around at the moment. Chasing a rainbow there. Okay. Be careful that you are not going in the wrong direction, that you're not chasing after something that's unrealistic or even a total fantasy, okay? Yeah, kind of embrace this energy. And then what have we got? We've got the Queen of Stones, the bear. Yeah, she's very protective. Stones are pentacles, so yeah, she's steadfast. Look how she's baring her teeth and she's ready for a fight, okay? Now, pentacles are usually quite steady energy, so, but I think in this case, she's prepared to stand up for what's important to her, okay? So, and the Queen of Swords too, or the Queen of Arrows, okay? Both of these queens are protective. I'm getting a real feeling of protecting what's important to you. Don't get drawn into other people's dramas, okay? And definitely don't go chasing this rainbow here. I think there's a real energy about being seduced by something that appears to be offering you something that you've longed for, something that's perfect, but it's not. This is an illusion. This is not real, okay? So we really need to be strong. We need to be really firm in our commitment to what we believe in and to what's important to us right now, okay? You know, even to the extent of being protective of your own energy, your family, the people who love you. I think it's really important.